Dating can be a daunting and confusing experience for many people. Whether you are just starting out in the dating world or have been on the scene for a while, it is important to have some solid advice to guide you through the ups and downs of dating. While there are countless tips and tricks out there are five key pieces of advice that can help you navigate through the world of dating with confidence and success. And these five pieces of advice are timeless and can apply to anyone, regardless of age, gender, or sexual orientation. Now, by following dating tips, you can increase your chances of finding a meaningful and a fulfilling relationship. Now, number one on the list is called be yourself. One of the most important pieces of dating advice you will ever receive is to be yourself. It can be tempting to try to be someone you are not in order to impress a potential partner, but it is a recipe for disaster in the long run. Authenticity is key in any relationship, and pretending to be someone you are not will only lead to disappointment and heartache. When you are true to yourself, you are more likely to attract someone who appreciates you for who you are. Now remember, you are unique and special just as you are, and there is someone out there who will love you exactly who you are. Now, be yourself also means being honest and transparent in your interactions with others. Don't try to hide your true feelings or intentions in an attempt to manipulate or control a situation. Honesty is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and be upfront about your thoughts and emotions will help you build trust and connections with your potential partner. Now remember, it's better to be rejected for who you are than accepted for who you are not. Now, number two on the list is called communication. Now, communication is a key in any relationship, and this is especially true when it comes to dating. Now, effective communication involves both speaking and listening. When you are on a date, make an effort to actively listen to your partner and show genuine interest in what they have to say. Ask questions, share your thoughts and experiences, and be open to learning more about the other person. Now, good communication is the foundation of a strong and a healthy relationship. So, it is important to practice effective communication skills from the beginning of the relationship. Now, in addition to verbal communication, it's also important to pay attention to non-verbal cues, body languages, facial expressions, and tone of voice can all convey important information about how someone is feeling. Pay attention to these cues and be mindful of your own nonverbal communication as well. Remember, communication is a two-way street, so make sure you are both speaking and listening effectively in order to build a strong connection with your partner. Now, number three on my list is called set boundaries. Now, setting boundaries in a relationship is an essential part of any healthy relationship, and this is especially true when it comes to dating. Now, boundaries are guidelines that help you establish what is acceptable and unacceptable behavior in a relationship. Now, by setting clear boundaries from the beginning, you can ensure that both you and your partner feel respected and comfortable in the relationship. Now, boundaries can include physical boundaries, emotional boundaries, and personal boundaries, and it's important to communicate these boundaries clearly and assertively. Now, when setting boundaries, it's important to be firm and consistent in enforcing them. If someone crosses a boundary that you have set, it is important to communicate this to them in a calm and a respectful manner. Remember, you have the right to set boundaries that make you feel safe and comfortable, and it's important to prioritize your own well-being in any relationship. Now, setting boundaries can help you establish a strong foundation of trust and respect in your relationship, and can ultimately lead to a more fulfilling and satisfying connection with your partner. Now, number four on the list is called self-care. Self-care is an essential aspect of dating that is often overlooked. It's important to take care of yourself, both physically and emotionally, in order to be the best partner you can be. This means prioritizing your own well-being, setting aside time for self-care activities, and practicing self-compassion. When you date, take care of yourself, you are better able to show up fully in your relationship and give your partner the love and attention they deserve. Self-care can take in many forms, including exercising, meditation, spending time with loved ones, and engaging in activities that bring you joy. It's important to prioritize self-care in your daily routine and make time for activities that nourish your mind, both body and soul. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup, so it's important to take care of yourself first in order to be able to show up fully for your partner. Now, number 5 on the list is called trust your instinct. One of the most important pieces of dating advice I will ever give you in this video is to trust your own instincts. Your gut feelings are powerful indicators of showing of how you truly feel about a person or situation. It's important to listen to them. If something doesn't feel right in a relationship, trust your instincts and take the necessary steps to address the issue. And this is how I end this video. And my name once again is Olopaini. Here is Olopaini TV, and I beg of you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification buttons for more relationship content like this. I'll see you in my next video.